So this is actually a major L for the Google Pixel Fold 2 / Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So one of the coolest things about Google Pixel devices is that you have this thing called the Pixel Stand, which you have two different iterations of it, the Pixel Stand and the Pixel Stand 2. And what it does, it lets you wirelessly charge while having a stand for your Pixel device. But for some reason, they can't get it to work with the brand new Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which is obviously Google's most, expensive / craziest new device, which I think this is a humongous L, because especially if you spend $1,800, $1,900 for this phone, the fact you can't use one of the top products that you might already have, in your ready to go. You already have this if you're a Pixel user. The fact you can't just use this is kind of really upsetting. Now, the reason why you can't use it, according to this article, is because of the coil system. The coil system in the Pixel 9 Pro Fold isn't actually correctly set up to work with this wireless charger, which again seems like something that I feel like should have been, perfected / created correctly with the, Pixel Stand, because I don't understand why you wouldn't have those two things lined up correctly. The Pixel Stand, huge accessory to use with a Pixel foldable cell phone. Wireless charging is huge nowadays, especially as, these wireless charging gets faster and faster. More people are amped to use any method of wireless charging. So the fact that this does not work is a humongous L. I will say overall wise, it is what it is. It's kind of one of those things where it's like, there's not many negative things about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and this is kind of a small one in the aspect of, those who don't have the stand, they wouldn't probably buy it anyway, and if you're a first-time Google Pixel owner, you're probably not going to care too much. Now, could they put out a fix for this and maybe put out a Pixel Stand that is designed around this phone? Absolutely, they could. And they probably should, to be honest. As it says right here, Google has confirmed that the Pixel 9 Pro Fold cannot be charged with the Pixel Stand or the Pixel Stand 2. They explained the charging coils have a different position compared to the previous one. But again, with how successful they are right now of selling this device, I feel like there should be a new stand created that works exclusively, or again, maybe it works universally with other Pixel devices, but it also 100% works with the Pixel Fold. Especially with, Google trying to put out this device, trying to make it as successful as possible, really trying to take over this industry. I feel like this is a failed opportunity for this not to work with the Pixel Fold, but that's just my cup of tea. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.